Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a great summer so far. Technically not summer, but it's warm enough to be summer. I hope you're enjoying it. Today I have the Allure box. Let's get in here and see what June 2021 has in store for us. Unless you paid for a year in advance, the Allure box is now technically a $23 per month subscription box. It is mostly samples. I think we're supposed to get 2 full size now and more than a $100 value. It used to be 1 full sized and $70 value. I might be wrong. It might be 3 full sized. You know how we can know? We can open it. I have been doing this one so long that I haven't looked up the information in forever. When we open it up, we have our paperwork. I love freckles. I kind of always wished I had freckles. And that will tell us everything we need to know about each of these products. It will be told to us from the perspective of one of their editors that tried the product and then liked it, because if they didn't like it, they wouldn't be in the book. And this will tell us how to use something. I'll put my glasses on in a minute and let you know what it says. And those are our products. So let's see what we got. And let's see if we think this month's is worth the $23. This says, there's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors of how to get the most out of the beauty products in your box. Ooh, tools of the trade. Disguise dark circles, shine bright, and fine tune. I'd say we have some brushes. That's fun. Anything to disguise dark circles. I'm going to keep that and read it. Right on top, I have a Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. I'm not going to open this. It is a white, fluffy cleansing cream. I have a few of them. We have received them in a lot of subscription boxes. I kind of like it, but I don't use it all of the time, and I always try and use my oldest, so the line just keeps getting longer for this. I should put this in a giveaway. I should do a giveaway. Now that I can go to the post office, I'll put together a giveaway. Okay, let's see what the editor who tried this had to say about it. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This is $35, so this is full size, $35 value. I have sensitive, it's gonna sound like me. I have sensitive skin that can become red or dry at the drop of a hat, so I rely on gentle cleansers like this creamy, moisturizing one from Skin & Co. It strengthens the skin's moisture barrier with fatty acids, and the second I pop open the lid, a sweet yet earthy scent with hints of almond oil transports me to a sunny Italian countryside where this brand's products are made. The cream lathers into a thick, slightly soapy consistency. It's rich, so I use only a pea-sized amount, morning and night. I always take at least a full minute to lather it, paying attention to my most oil-prone spots for clean, hydrated, happy skin. She likes it. I don't put that much thought into cleansing my face. Like if it smelled, I wouldn't think, oh, the Italian. You know what? I was gonna say, I wouldn't say, oh, the Italian countryside. That said, I am right now using a Purely's watermelon face cleanser because it was next in line and I wanted to try it. And I will tell you, every morning when I use it, I think, oh, I love watermelon. So maybe I will think Italian countryside. 1 full size. Reaching in next, I have Donginbi. It says $18.99 single essence. So it's probably a Korean facial essence if I were guessing. Let's get it out of there. This is definitely a trial size. And it says the exact same words again on the inside. Let's see what the paperwork says. It would be $54.99 if it were the 70 ml full size. This is 15 ml. So by my very rudimentary, not on the nose math, this is still about $10 worth. Donginbi $18.99 single essence. Of the many, many soothing treatments I've reached for to help heal the sensitivity I'm experiencing due to stress and insomnia, this has become my go-to. A K-Beauty favorite and Allure, Korea's Best of Beauty Award winner. This essence made with anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract not only hydrates my tired skin, but coddles it when it needs soothing the most. I've been using it as a prep step and my skin feels more hydrated and I have less noticeable redness. Okay, seriously, I was using that funny tone, but I like all of those words, so I will definitely try this. It just comes out as a liquid. I mean, it's literally, it looks like water. Doesn't have much scent, just kind of a clean essence-y scent. You know the one. It's just, yeah, not much to it, and it dissipates into nothing. All right, I will try that. All right, next we have the ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. I have tried this brand before. I'm using actually a hand cream of theirs that I like very much because I like the scent. And that is what it looks like. This is 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. It is full-sized, $34. Do you think that's true? Yes, it is. I can see the sizing on the bottle. So this is a full-size $34. My skin has been extra blotchy lately, and my regular moisturizer isn't calming the redness on my cheeks, forehead, or nose. So I was equal parts surprised and thrilled when this kaolin clay and coconut oil infused mask reduced the redness and made my skin noticeably brighter and smoother overall. The sweet floral scent was a relaxing perk. I wore it for about 10 minutes. I'm too antsy to go the full 20 that's recommended on the bottle, and loved how much my skin felt tighter, but not dry after I rinsed. My skin tone still isn't totally even. That would take a miracle, but it's looking better. I have to tell you, this box is speaking to me. It's all talking about sensitive skin or redness. It's like they said, okay, Kathrin, you want to keep whining about this box? Take this. Let's see what this sweet floral scent she talked about smells like. So it looks like a clay mask. It's just kind of gray. Can't believe this is a full-size mask. I mean, how many masks do you think you're going to get out of there for $34? Oh, it's very moussey like until you start rubbing it in, and then it's a really, really light. Don't think clay mask, think moisturizing mask. Oh, it is a very nice light floral scent. I get geranium in it. It smells really good. That is very nice. So I'm reading the ingredients, and it doesn't have anything in it that I can't use. It does talk about having Rosa Damascena in it, but I don't smell any rose scent personally. And it has fragrance. So the scent could just be the fragrance. I think I just got it on my nose. I can't be trusted. Let's get that off before I end up with it all over me. That did feel really nice though, and I'm not necessarily drawn to clay masks, so I will be trying that one. I will be trying all of this because it keeps saying sensitive and reducing redness. Next, I have a tea tree relief mask. I know that I can't use tea tree on my face too much, not as much as is probably in a mask. It's by Lapcos, and it says it's a derma mask tea tree. So you could have received this one, the Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask, which, not to sound greedy, but I love that mask. Or a When mask called The Last Choice. So you received one of those 3 masks. I got the tea tree, and it's Lapcos Tea Tree Sheet Mask. It has a $4 value. Using this mask weekly changes the game. It relaxes me after a long day and revitalizes my skin when it's dull or dry. I leave it on for 15 minutes and then I glow. Tea tree mask. I have an Oribe Flash Foam Finishing Spray Wax. I love Oribe hair products. This says Oribe Flash Form, not foam. Did I say foam? It's Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax. Styling my thick, coarse, curly hair can be a lot. I do not have that. She does have very nice hair though. Always wished I had thick hair. Back on point. I like to flat iron it and then shake things up, pun intended. With this ultrafine mist, it adds buildable texture to create beachy waves while preserving my straightened hairdo. Water-based texturizing sprays often undo my hour-long flat ironing, and this one has got hold. It's a wax in spray form, so gone are the days of scooping out pomade and ending up with a spotted glob of gel somewhere on the back of my head. It tames flyaways, conditions, and did I mention it's humidity resistant? Summer weather stands no chance. Full size would be $42, and that would be 4.2 ounces. This is 0.85 ounces, so this isn't even quite a quarter, but it would still have between an $8 and $9 value. I'm not putting this on my hair because I'm not sure that I'm done making videos. And I can only, this is my hair natural, so I can only imagine what would happen if I added wax to it. I don't think it would be good, but okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. So if you get this box and you haven't opened yours yet, I just push very lightly on the back. It's almost like, can you guys see there's a little piece of plastic there? And it's like I think that's attached so that it can't come out during travel. And because I heard it snap when I did it. Yes, because now it's very easy. It smells like Oribe. It smells exactly like every Oribe product. It smells delicious and delightful. I love Oribe hair products. Yeah, that smells good. I'm gonna show you right here. Can you guys see how it's kind of shiny? It's a little tacky, like, yeah, I bet it does feel like wax. Yeah, you can see my, watch. Can you see the pad of my finger pull away? See how it's sticking? All right. I will probably mess with this on a day, like a day 2, when I'm not gonna video. The top is even pretty. I love Oribe, but not full-sized. And last but not least, guys, my stalker's back. Laruce brushes found me in Allure. So I think these brushes that they were telling me were going to be tools of the trade. It doesn't say on here what the brand was, and this was upside down, so I couldn't tell. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh, if you guys don't know, I went through a phase where everything that Ipsy sent me, and I was getting all 3 bags back when there was an ultimate every month. It felt like everything that Ipsy sent me had Laruce brushes in it. And I finally got them to stop. And then last month, I think it was just last month, right? We had Laruce in Boxy, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're stalking me. That tickles me. Okay, these are eyeshadow brushes. Well, eye brushes. Oh my gosh, guys. It says Laruce 3-piece brush set. These makeup brushes are all about the finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. The flat concealer brush carefully lays down pigment to disguise a pimple that just popped up. The squat, dense bristles on the short shadow brush are perfect for adding a bit of sparkle or vibrant shadow to the inner corner of the eyes. The last magic wand is also the fluffiest and most versatile, the angled shading brush. Not only can you sweep shadow all over your lids with it, but the velvety soft bristles also blend out the edges to give your look the dreamiest finish. All the brushes have manageably short bristles, so you are in complete control even if you're not 100% sure you know what you're doing. I want to say guess what they valued these 3 eye brushes at. Just guess. Have you guessed? $84. Yeah, $84. So we have, this is the one they're calling the concealer, I will assume. I actually do like this and I could use it. I have been using, like today I used a brush for my everything instead of a beauty blender. And I got really good coverage. That is what the little concealer one looks like. And I do like the handles on these Laruce brushes because of the little nubbies. They're easy to... And then we have, this is the short bristled shadow brush. I don't use these as much because these are great for like, I always use a lighter, shinier color in here. You guys can probably tell. Right in here. I do it with my finger because I find that you get so much more payoff with a shimmer with your finger. So I almost always do my whole eye with brushes and then get in right in my corner. And last they said we had angled blending. I won't use this for that. My blending brushes are way fluffier than that. I'm not sure, do I use it? I don't think I use an angled brush for anything. If you use an angled brush, let me know where you most effectively use it. So I have 3 Laruce brushes that they say have an $84 value to add to my Laruce collection. They did come in a pretty blue. They seem to give everybody a different colored bag. I hoped in our Boxy, because that was in a pink bag, that the handles would start matching, but no, they're all the same. Okay, that is the Allure June 2021 box. Let me know below what you guys think. It is a $23 subscription, and this month, what did we get? Okay, so we did get 3 full-size products, so maybe it was 3 full-size products and greater than a $100 value. We got the Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream. Polishing? Yes, Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream. They say is great for sensitive skin. We got the ESPA Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask, which they said was great for sensitive skin. And we got the Laruce brushes, which I'm sure they are counting as another full-size product, especially with an $84 value. Sample sized and or just smaller value, we got the Lapcos Tea Tree Relief Mask, the Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax, which will be fun to play with, and the Donginbi $18.99 Single Essence, which they said was also really good for sensitive skin. So it's kind of like this one was made for me. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Let me know below what you thought of this box. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care.